My name is George Motz. I was in the United States Army from late 1964 to mid-1967. As an officer, second lieutenant, rose to the rank of captain. My basic assignment was in Charleston, South Carolina. When a soldier or sailor is killed, the bottom line is that's not the only tragedy of that event. I'm talking about the silent sufferers, the hundreds of thousands of men, women, children, moms, dads, husbands, wives, aunts, uncles, totally affected by that death. I dealt with that during the Vietnam War. That was basically my sole responsibility. I got my first death notification. I was assigned to go out and talk to a family in a downtown inner city about the death of their 21-year-old son. I had no time to think about it. I got in the car, drove out there. Halfway out, I pulled alongside the road, and I was panicked. What in God's name do I say? I'm 23 years old. How do I handle that? And I realized, how would they react to what I told them? And how would I react to their reaction? I didn't know. I had no idea. And I found it very therapeutic to me to help them arrange the funeral as opposed to just making death notification. The responsibility, from my point of view, was I had an opportunity to work with these people, a lot of them poor black families in the South during the height of racial unrest, and also a number of white families, and basically to see how beautifully they reacted to me and how beautifully they reacted to the situation. There were no hostilities towards me, they embraced me, but the survivor assistance aspect of it was very positive and constructive, I think, for the families as well as for me. I was lonely. I was down in the deep South. I'd never been away from home in my life other than in college days in Washington. I didn't know anybody. The military life was a totally new life to me. And so I would go out at night and listen to the radio back in my bunk bed, and this song would play every single night. It was a song that basically, I look back now and I say, that's the song that really reminds me of the time in the military at that point in time. And the song was Bobby Vinton's Mr. Lonely.